Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
I will show proven ways to move files from mobile to laptop safely. Use a USB-C cable for direct transfer at up to 5 Gbps when supported. Enable the correct USB mode and trust the computer on your phone. For small files, consider Bluetooth pairing. It works within about 10 meters. For large files, use Wi-Fi Direct, which can reach around 250 Mbps. Cloud services also solve syncing, but require internet. I will explain each method step by step and cover security. Start by using the original or high-quality USB cable for reliability. Set the phone USB mode to File Transfer or MTP before copying files. On Windows, open File Explorer and copy files like any folder on the laptop. On Mac, install Android File Transfer or Use Finder when the phone supports it natively. If prompted, tap Trust on your phone and enter any PIN. For USB-C Thunderbolt connections, you may get faster speeds up to 40 Gbps if supported. Always safely eject. For Bluetooth, first enable Bluetooth on both devices and pair them securely. Pair devices for Bluetooth and send files within about 10 meters range after pairing completes. For Android, use Nearby Share, or for Apple, use AirDrop when both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Use Wi-Fi Direct when you need faster transfers without internet. Use cloud storage for cross-platform access, but watch data caps and upload speed limits. Always encrypt sensitive files and avoid public Wi-Fi when transferring private data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.